Car crashes are one of the most common reasons that people are sent to the trauma center.
It's tragic because we all have families, we all have kids, and when we see that happen to, that's something definitely preventable. It's very hard.
Injuries are usually significantly worse if the victims decided not to wear their seatbelts.
They come in pretty bad shape because you imagine somebody that should be wearing a seatbelt that's not. That becomes essentially a projectile missile, either flying through a windshield or bounces around the car.
The CDC says seatbelts reduce the risk of death by 45% and cut the risk of serious injury in half among drivers and front seat passengers.
Could be a mile. A lot of times people think, I'm not going to restrain myself or the kids just because it's right there. I can see the store or the post office. But statistically, most accidents happen around the victims' homes.
It's also important you wear it properly.
When you wear the lap belt, that it should be placed along the upper thighs and the pelvic region, and not the abdomen. Because even though it may save your life, but it can cause severe damage.
Kids 13 and under should always ride in the back seat. If they use a car seat, be sure it's installed properly.
Even though the child itself is sitting in the car seat appropriately, but the car seat itself is not latched, and horrible things happen.
Preventing critical injury, one click at a time. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.